Hello everyone, I hope this video finds you and your family in good health. Let's get started. I'm just simply painting a floral border for my vision board. Until last year I used to just write it in a page of my diary. This time I thought of giving it a creative twist. Let's see how it goes. If you are new to my channel, do subscribe and like the video. I chose flowers because I'm obsessed with them. Somewhere, flower just gives me a lot of courage and motivation in my daily life. I don't know how. Enjoy the process. I'm using watercolor and painting all the flowers and leaves using only the primary colors. Yay, the new year is here! I don't know what my monthly goals are. I have not set them yet. So let's see what my weekly goals are. I read a lot of books these days. And yeah, content creation is one of my priorities these days. Hopefully we'll make it together. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you so much. And wishing you a very happy new year. Bye. Enjoy.